nakakaloka. Tapos, eto na, kinakikiligan ng lahat to ngayon. Guwapo, lahat nasa kanya na. At eto, ha? Siya ang partner ni Binondo Girl. Excited ba kayo makita siya? Please welcome, Chin!
Hello everyone!
Lipstick na ulit!
Medyo mababa lang yung Marcus ngayon. Ay, wow, full crowd lang.
Andyan si Kim.
Ay, where?
Uy,
Kim?
Dilig, wala.
Alright, I would like to dedicate this song sa... I love you too, I love you too. I would like to dedicate this song to a couple of people. Actually, first, sa My Binondo Girl, at sa mga sumusuporta dahil without My Binondo Girl, hindi nila makikita. Itong song na hindi ito mabubuo without My Binondo Girl. And, maraming salamat po. I'm saying it now, I'm saying it in advance. Maraming salamat po for this song. Alright. I love you too. Makulit-ulit po yan sasabihin. Alright, ito po. This next song po, para po ito sa lahat ng nagmamahal, lahat ng nagsusuporta, at para po sa lahat ng magagandang babae na tulad ko tonight. just like, thank you po so much. Maraming salamat. First of all, I would like to acknowledge a couple of people na papapasalamat na po ako. I would like to first thank my Mint family. I know they're here somewhere watching. Maraming salamat. And my mom. My mom's actually here. She's somewhere. I can't find my mom. Where's my mom? Asan si mom? Hi mom! She's right there, my beautiful mom. Thank you so much, Mama. Thank you first. I know this is the first show na nakita mo ako. Tumanda, siguro nagugulat ka. Hi, hello. And I would also like to thank my Star Magic family, Mr. Ed, Mr. Mariel, maraming salamat po for bringing me in, di ba, in family. Thank you so much, maraming salamat po. To my handler, at engaged na ako. Todo, pagmamahal yan. Thank you so much. Alright, thank you so much guys. And to my Beyond the Girl, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng sumusuporta. Thank you po so much. Yes, thank you po. Thank you. And now, up next, eto na guys. Are you guys ready? For the super magaling to kumanta. Hindi guys ang nakikinig ako sa ito? Ay, hindi pa. Mamaya